President Trump on Monday night called for Supreme Court Justices Sonia Sotomayor and Ruth Bader Ginsburg to recuse themselves from any cases involving his administration after a recent stinging dissent by Sotomayor.
Trump was responding to a statement from Fox News host Laura Ingraham, who said Sotomayor accused GOP-appointed justices of being biased in favor of the president.
"This is a terrible thing to say," Trump tweeted.
"Trying to shame some into voting her way? She never criticized Justice Ginsburg when she called me a faker.
Both should recuse themselves," he added.
Sotomayor's dissent came Friday after a ruling in the case of Wolf v. Cook County.
The justice, who was appointed by President Obama, wrote that the Trump administration repeatedly uses the reason of emergency basis to bypass lower courts.
Claiming one emergency after another, the government has recently sought stays in an unprecedented number of cases, demanding immediate attention and consuming limited court resources in each, Sotomayor wrote in the dissent.
And with each successive application, of course, its cries of urgency ring increasingly hollow. Indeed, its behavior relating to the public charge rule in particular shows how much its own definition of irreparable harm has shifted.
The conservative Judicial Crisis Network told Ingraham that the administration's legal moves were warranted.
Trump's mention of Ruth Bader Ginsburg was in reference to a 2016 interview where she called Trump a faker.
"He has no consistency about him. He says whatever comes into his head at the moment," she said.
"He really has an ego. How has he gotten away with not turning over his tax returns? The press seems to be very gentle with him on that."